Hey, Terry Linde here with 5 tips to make fitness a fun family activity. 1. Plan active outings. Go for family hikes, bike rides, or park visits. It's a great way to stay active together. 2. Family fitness challenges. Create fun challenges, like who can do the most push-ups or hold a plank the longest. It adds a playful competition element. 3. Work together. Find family-friendly workout videos or create a circuit routine that everyone can do at home. 4. Play sports. Organize a family sports day with activities like soccer, basketball, or even backyard games like tag. 5. Lead by example. Show your family the importance of staying active by making fitness a regular part of your routine. Want more ideas for family fitness fun? DM me for a free guide that'll help you make workouts a bonding experience for the whole family.